What's up, you guys? It's your girl, Taija, and I'm here today with another video.
J Squad.
You and me will always be tight. Family every single day and night. Even when you start acting like a fool, you know I'm loving every single thing you do. I know that I can always be myself. Love you more than anybody, anybody. And every day as a man, not be true. You know there's no one I love as much as you. Family, a family, proud family.
So today we are doing the 100 layers of lipstick challenge, and I have my mom with me. Say something. She's a little shy, but okay.
100 layers of lipstick. Really, people?
It's so in right now. Anyways, so before we get into this video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment what you'd like for me to see on the next video.
I'm being bamboozled.
Also, go ahead and follow me and add me on social media. It'll be in the description down below. And if you're up for the challenge, visit simplydoyen.com.
That's right.
And purchase your Kale Blaster.
simplydoyen.com.
It's almost summer, you guys. So ladies, let's get into shape with the Kale Blaster. And if you're really up for the challenge, go ahead and order your Kale Blaster Cleanse 3-Day Cleanse.
3-day cleanse.
Okay, now let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I'm using the Wet n Wild pink lipstick. What are you using?
And guys, you know I'm not going to use Wet n Wild, so I'm using MAC. I don't know. She's a pretty girl from a long time ago. All right.
Well, I chose this because it's cheap and it's 100 layers.
If your chick come close to me, she ain't going home where she supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be. I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be.
So I'm supposed to use my MAC for 100 layers?
It's the 100 layer challenge. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Is it going to use my whole MAC?
I don't know.
All right, let's see.
You ready? Let's go. 1, 2.
This lipstick is too thick for me to do. I need a thinner one.
3.
I feel like I got 100 layers on already.
On 5. Oh my gosh. 6. 7.
Where are you at?
10. Oh my
10.
god.
All
I'm
right,
tired.
keep going. Just 90 more. How much? Just 90 more to go. How about I be your cheerleader? Go, 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 go. Where you at?
13. How it look?
Cute.
14. Jesus. 20.
Go, 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 go. 20, yo, 20, yo. Go, go. All right, so while we're doing 20 more coats, what are you guys doing? Are you guys doing this challenge? Have you tried this 100 layer lipstick challenge? Well, as you guys can see, I didn't do too well with the challenge, but I am always here to support your girl, Taija G. She is my favorite girl in the whole wide world. That's why
30.
I'm here. 30. Okay, good. Oh, and you know, did you plan this for the shirt and the shirt to be like right at the color?
No, that's so cool.
That's cute. Okay, so the funny thing is Taija G really doesn't like makeup. So yeah, I thought when she said do this 100-layer lipstick challenge, I was like, okay, I'll watch. Oh no, what I said was I'll do it with you.
Mm.
What kind of music do you like?
This is 40.
40? Only 60 more to go. Go, 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 go. So, the good thing about it is you're beautiful no matter what kind of makeup you have on or how much piles and piles of contour you put on. You're still beautiful underneath it all. And so just be you. That's the message of the video, is to be you. Love you. If you want to do a challenge, doesn't matter how crazy your mom says it is, do it anyway. Where you at? 70? Don't you missing your lip now. You need some assistance?
60.
Do white the corner.
Huh?
Keep it cute. I didn't say around, I just said, you gotta keep it cute.
I'm at 60. Mm-hmm.
Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. You're more than halfway there. No, you're gone halfway. You at 60?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're more than halfway finished. That's a better place to be. So, did you guys know that your girl Taija G over here
70.
is low-key a diva? 70, 71, 72, 73. You think they can you do the video in slow motion? 8 minutes. Certainly we're going to do some kind of time lapse in this video because this is taking a long time, people. It took 10 minutes out of my time.
I'm at 80, you guys. 80. Whew. Mm.
Where you at?
86.
86.
This is a lot of makeup, Jesus. But it didn't wipe off a lot. See, just cut this left.
Great. The thing about MAC is it's too thick, but I couldn't do it with that. That's mine.
I look cute.
Very.
Okay, got 10 more, you guys. 10 more. Hey, 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 hey. You got the haters. Haters, haters. You want the woo, woo, woo. Hey.
Where are we?
94.
94. 95. 96.
You think I'm cute?
Oh, can you make the noise?
I finished 100 layers of
100
makeup. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. No, you stop it.
So you really stopped?
How do I look, guys? Ugh. Yeah, this was pretty cool. I should use a thick one maybe, cause it feel good on my lips.
I like it. It's not bad. It's not bad.
Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching.
Make sure you come back. Maybe I will do the next challenge, but let me tell you something. I don't have time to put 100 layers of lipstick on these lips. But thanks for coming and stopping by and watching our channel.
She'll be back again, you guys.
I might make a guest appearance. What else? This was fun. I like coming to spend time with you guys.
So
I'll come back.
I'll be back again with another video. Okay, you guys? Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please comment if you thought the challenge was nice or not.
Comment below.
Let me know what you guys want next for the next video.
Let me know.
And I'll see you soon. Bye.